Greetings of the day. Today I am discussing a few important questions of Materia Medica with with comparison of given medicines in the option. So first we start with question number 1. Devil's tongue is the common name of. First option is Baptisia, Asafoetida, Melilotus, and Helleborus. So right option is Asafoetida. Now Baptisia, common name of Baptisia is wild indigo. Melilotus is sweet clover. And Helleborus niger is snow rose. Now, question number 2. At every menstrual illness, throat, mouth, and tongue becomes intolerably dry, especially when sleeping. Options are Nux vomica, Lac caninum, Tarantula, and Nux moscata, cyclamen. Right option is Tarantula and Nux moscata. In case of Nux vomica, aggravation of old symptoms before and during menses. In case of Lac caninum, painful, swollen breast before and during menses. And in case of cyclamen, better by flow. साइक्लामेन में बेटर बाय फ्लो. एग्रावेशन ड्यूरिंग फ्लो किस में है? एग्रावेशन ड्यूरिंग फ्लो. मेडिसिन्स आर एक्टिया रेसिमोसा एंड पल्सेटिला. Now third question. Creosote is the inimical tool. Options are Carboveg, Kalicap, Nux vomica, and Phosphorus. Right option is Carboveg. यहाँ एक स्लाइड पे स्लाइड है. इसमें हम एक चार्ट ड्रॉ करते हैं ना. इधर है मेडिसिन्स, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंड इनिमिकल. ये आता है कार्बोवेज, फॉस्फोरस, नक्स वामिका, क्रियोजोट, लैकेसिस, अगर हम कार्बोवेज की बात करते हैं तो कार्बोवेज की जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री है वो है ड्रोसेरा, कालिकाब एंड फॉस्फोरस. इनिमिकल है जो वो है कार्बो एनिमेलिस एंड क्रियोजोट. फॉस्फोरस की कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री है आर्सेनिक एल्बम, एलियम सीपा एंड कार्बोवेज. इसकी इनिमिकल है कॉस्टिकम। नक्स वोमिका की कोई कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री नहीं है, नो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री। इनिमिकल है इग्नेशिया, एसिटिक एसिड एंड जिंक। क्रियोजोट की कोई कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री नहीं है, इसकी इनिमिकल है कार्बो वेज। एंड लेकेसिस की कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री है हिपर, लाइको एंड नाइट्रिक एसिड। इसकी जो इनिमिकल है वो है एसिटिक एसिड, एसिड कार्बोल, सोराइनम, डल्कामारा एंड एसिटिक एसिड, एसिड कार्बोल, सोराइनम, डल्कामारा एंड अमोनियम कार्ब। Now, fourth question. Mental labor best performed at night. Options are Nux vomica, Argentum nitricum, lachesis, and floric acid. So right option is lachesis. In case of Nux vomica, patient is fault finding, and time passes too slowly. In case of Argentum nitricum, time passes too slowly and patient thinks that his understanding and will must fail. Errors of perception. In case of floric acid, patient is elated and gay. Now in fifth question, must change position frequently, but it is painful and gives little relief. Options are causticum, arsenic, natrum salt. Both A and C means causticum and natrum salt. The right option is both A and C. This line is given in Allen's keynote in under the natrum salt, but in bracket causticum is also given, and in causticum in Allen's keynote line is must move constantly, but motion gives no relief, In case of arsenic, patient is mentally restless. Now question number 6. In question number 6, chronic asthma in summers. Options are Sorinum, Ciflinum, Medorinum, and Bovista. Right option is Ciflinum. In other medicines, in case of Sorinum, dyspnea relieved by lying down with spreading arms wide apart. And in every winter, cough returns in every winter. preventers due to suppressed eruption. Suppressed eruptions. In case of Medorrhinum, can inhale. Can't exhale. Relieved, dyspnea relieved by lying on face with protruding tongue. Tongue. And at night, incessant cough. Cough. In case of Bovista, मुझे कोई डिस्निया या रेस्पिरेटरी सिम्टम नहीं मिला है. Other few important medicine related to asthma. New slide. Arsenic album. Dyspnea relieved by sitting and bending forward. Aggravation time है midnight or 12 o'clock. Attacks like croup. Instead of usual urticaria. In case of Kalika, same modality, amelioration की sitting like this and bending forward. And aggravation जो है rattling in chest 4 to 5 a.m. And aggravation lying on painful side. Natrum sulf, humid asthma. And in aggravation yoga, every change of weather. In case of Sambicus, like Medorrhinum, can inhale, can't exhale. And child sleeps into attack. In case of cannabis sativa, can breathe only in a standing position. And in case of Spigelia, can breathe only lying on right side, with head high. These are few medicines related to dyspnea or asthma. Now question number 8. Vertigo at night with urging to urinate. Options are Theridion, Spigelia, Tabacum, and Hypericum. A right option is Hypericum. In case of Theridion, vertigo on closing the eyes. Other medicines are Lachesis and Thuja. In case of Tabacum, on opening the eyes. Or on rising or looking backward. In case of Spigelia, vertigo on looking down. One more medicine is Calmia. Looking up, vertigo on looking upward. Medicine is Cilicia and Pulsatilla. Now question number 9. Seven number question which छूट गया है. Dreams that she is drinking. Options are arsenic, medorinum, phosphorus, all of these. Right option is medorinum. ये यहाँ ड्रीम्स की बात थी, लेकिन अगर वैसे थर्स्ट देखी जाए आर्सेनिक में है. आर्सेनिक बर्निंग थर्स्ट है. बर्निंग थर्स्ट without special desire to drink. Special desire to drink. Can't assimilate cold water. In case of phosphorus, as soon as water becomes warm in the stomach, it is thrown up. Comes warm in stomach, it is thrown up. Now question number 9. 8 हो गया. Question number 9. Question number 9 is pain in back when swallowing. Options are Kalica, Brephitis, Lycopodium, and Zincum. Right option is Kalica. In case of Zincum, there is spinal irritation. With great weakness. Cannot bear back to be touched. Other medicines are can't bear back to be touched, Cinnamon salve, Theridion, and Tarantula. Now question number 10. Fear of being assassinated. Options are Lecaninum, Plumbum-Mat, Aurum-Mat, and Zincum-Mat. Right option is Plumbum-Mat. In case of leg caninum, patient thinks himself of little consequence. In case of Oramet, there is anthropophobia. Means fear of community or fear of meeting people or fear of society. यहाँ पर Oramet patient ask question repeatedly. Frequent questioning होगी. Frequently. Without waiting for reply. And in case of Zincamet, there is child repeats everything. And fear of arrest. Due to supposed crime. Now question number 11. Which of the following is known as love seed? Options are Phytolacca, Lycopodium, Graphitis, and Anacardium. Right option is Staphysagra. Common name of Phytolacca is poke root. Lycopodium is club moss. Anacardium is marking nut. Marking nut. कुछ और नट से रिलेटेड नाम है कॉमन नेम जो अदर हमेशा कंफ्यूज करते हैं, तो मैंने यहाँ कुछ और नाम लिए हुए हैं, जैसे मार्किंग नट, पॉइजन नट इज नक्स vomica, फ्यू नट्स हैं जैसे पॉइजन नट, नक्स vomica, मार्किंग नट एनाकार्डियम है ही, पॉइजन ओक, रस्टॉक्स, nutmeg is Nux moscata, purging nut is Jatropha, poison nut, poison oak, and यहाँ पर बात करें एक poison hemlock, it is conium mac. Poison hemlock, water hemlock, that is Cicuta variosa. ये नट्स की बात हो गई, कुछ वॉट करके नाम आते हैं जैसे मगवॉट, आर्टिमीजिया वल्गैरिस, इंडियन पेनीवॉट, it is hydrocotyle. St. John's wort, it is Hypericum. snake wort. This is Seneca. Lungwort. It is Sticta. Bitterwort. It is Ruta. तो ये कुछ वर्ड्स हो गए. अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. Cannot eat meat, it causes eructation or pruritus. Right option is, options are Calcarea phos, nitric acid, Rumex or Bovista. Right option is Rumex. In case of nitric acid, desire of indigestible things, and loves fat and salt. In case of Bovista, sensation of lump of ice. Now question number 13. The remedy for pain of death suits the last struggle. Options are Tarantula cubensis, Veratrum album, Hypericum and phosphoric acid. Right option is Tarantula cubensis. In other options, Veratrum album. Veratrum album is especially for post-surgical shocks. Surgical shock, where cold sweat on forehead. Cold sweat on forehead and violent retching and vomiting is characteristic. Is characteristic. Phosphorus is pain for cancer. Pain of cancers. Cancer pain के लिए phosphoric acid अच्छी है. In case of hypericum, hypericum is for post-surgical pains. Post-surgical pain. यहाँ painfulness is the characteristic feature. Extreme pain होगा, हाँ hypericum काम करता. Now question number 14. Aconite is contraindicated in malarial fever, pyemic conditions, both of these or none of these. Right option is C, both of these, malarial fever and pyemic fever. In Allen's keynote, line is given that aconite is contraindicated in pyemic fever, malarial fever, low-grade fever, or where inflammation is localized. Aconite is contraindicated. Also in low-grade fever and localized inflammation, where inflammation is localized. Here aconite is contraindicated. And sulfur follows it. And sulfur follows it. Sulfur follows it. Now, question number 15. Will often abort a beginning suppurative process near the rectum. Options are Rustox, Retinia, Rutaji, and Cilicia. Right option is Rustox. In other options, in case of Retinia, there is burning pain after stool, burning pain for hours. बहुत देर तक रहता है दर्द, घंटों दर्द रहता है स्टूल के बाद. And feeling as if a rectum is full of glasses. Ruta is rectal cancer. Ruta is for rectal cancer. And Cilicia is for fistula in ano. Now question number 16, fierce financial ruin. Options are Calliphos, Calcarea floor, Calcarea foss, and Natrum foss. Right option is Calcarea floor. Two more medicines are for business embarrassment. Business embarrassment. Calibrome and hyoscyamus. Calibrome में है intense restlessness, and sleeplessness due to fear of business embarrassment or loss of reputation. Intense restlessness and sleeplessness due to fear of business embarrassment or loss of reputation. In case of hyoscyamus, it is for highly irritable and excitable persons. There is sleeplessness due to fear of business embarrassment, often imaginary. मतलब अक्सर ये सोचता है कि ऐसा हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा, often imaginary. जबकि कालीब्रोम में है worry and grief है due to loss of business embarrassment and loss of reputation. बट यहाँ क्या है, often imaginary, अक्सर सोचता है कि अगर ऐसा हो गया तो क्या होगा, तो उसकी वजह से स्लीपलेसनेस रहती है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, sensation of fear at the tip of the tongue. Options are Natrum foss, Natrum mur, Mac foss, Calimure. Right option is Natrum mur. In Mac foss, there is swollen tongue. In Natrum foss, there is blisters on the side of the tongue. Mac foss में है swollen tongue and Calimure. Now question number 18, golden yellow coating on the tongue. Golden yellow coating on the tongue. Options are natrum sulf, kali sulf, macnure, and natrum phos. Right option is natrum phos. In case of natrum sulf, tongue is greenish gray or brown. In case of macnure, it is whitish gray. In case of macnure, it is tongue is whitish gray. And in case of kali sulf, tongue is yellow and slimy. मैक्न्यूर में है tongue is feels as if burnt or scalded. Burnt or scalded. Whitish gray tongue is in kali. Two more medicine, that is tongue coating, एंटियम क्रूड. कोटेड टंग की बात हो और एंटियम क्रूड और टार्ट की बात ना, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. एंटियम क्रूड में क्या है? थिक वाइट कोटेड, थिक वाइट कोटिंग ऑफ टंग, और एंटियम टार्ट में क्या है? थिक वाइट कोटिंग ऑफ द टंग तो है, इसके साथ क्या है? प्लस रेड पेपिला एट एजेस. ये हुआ हमारा कंप्लीट हो गया. इसके अलावा अब नेक्स्ट में देखते हैं, कुछ और इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस लेकर आती हूँ. थैंक यू.